Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to fix Instagram not uploading post. So if you have a issue, mean just go to Instagram account and click on profile, and here we need to click on three horizontal lines and go to settings and privacy, and here we need to go to help center and report a problem, and reporting a problem, and report a problem what you have the posts are not uploading, means just give the message and send it. After that, come back, click on long press on your Instagram account, click on app info. After typing app info, just here we need to click on storage and cache, and here we need to clear the cache of your Instagram account. After that, just come back and check your internet connection uh, or man is good or not, and check the net connection and check the balance of your internet connection, and re-upload the photo. Upload the photo, the post will be uploaded. Thank you.